If you have laptop or PC in your home, then you can simply install the Selenium software. Before that, you need to know certain steps in order to have installation process by supporting the programming language as well as the web drivers. The first step is you need to install Java on your computer, where JDK version is being developed in installation. Along with that, JRE also is included. You need not separately install JRE. So you can set the Java path as Java underscore home under the environment variable, where you can find that environment variable. Just I will be showing you on the screen. You can go to this PC, right click on it, go to properties. There you can select advanced system settings, go to environment variables. There you can take new. I have already taken the path. That's the reason it is displayed here. You need to set path in this way till the bin directory, from the location of the directory until the bin directory. The next one you need to select is, you need to go to new and select variable name as Java underscore home, and you need to take the path related to JDK version. For suppose now I am deleting this, I will let you know how to do that. You just observe. You need to click on new, then new user variable you need to enter, path you need to mention along with value. Where is the path? You can go to directly your drive, C, program files, Java, JDK, bin. You need to select the entire path here, right click, copy, you can paste here, click on OK button. This is set. Now what we need to do, we need to take again new. You need to give the Java underscore home as the variable name. Then you need to include the same path but only till JDK, because this is the home directory. OK. Click on OK, again click on OK, again click on OK. Once this is done, your path is set. Now you can observe the step 2. Install Eclipse IDE. From where you can install this particular software, the link is provided here. There will be Windows 32-bit and 64-bit versions developed by Java programmers regarding integrated development environment. So as per your system support, you can take 32-bit or 64-bit. Mostly our lab includes 64-bit version software, so we'll be installing this particular software. You should be able to download an executable file that is named like this, so you need to check this one, Eclipse inst win64. If it is 32-bit, then you will get at the end 32. This is step 2. And step 3, download the Selenium Java client driver. You can download it from this particular website. You can take Java client driver. This is the third step, and you need to install browser driver also, where the same link you will be taking here. One is browser driver, another one is client driver, so that the communication establishes between the client as well as the browser window. So these are all the steps that you need to follow. All the 4 steps are very important in order to install the setup for Selenium software regarding automated software testing. Hope you have gone through all the steps and you can try yourself. If any doubts if you have, you can meet me in our lab class. Thank you one and all.